Are you passionate about baking sourdough? Picking the right loaf pan is crucial. Let's explore why it matters and how to choose the best one. Sourdough baking combines fermentation and heat. Traditional Dutch ovens are great, but for sandwich loaves, proper pans make a difference. A high-quality loaf pan supports vertical rise and creates a perfect crust. Why does sourdough need special pans? The dough is more fluid than regular bread, often over 75% hydration. A professional pan stops the dough from flattening during the bake. Also, acidic properties can degrade cheap pans, affecting your bread's taste. High-quality aluminum or ceramic pans ensure your bake is non-reactive. Heavy pans maintain consistent heat, preventing the gummy bottom. Plus, good pans control moisture, promoting crisp crusts. Look for features that matter, like durable materials and the right size. What makes a great sourdough loaf pan? Aluminized steel is a top choice, providing excellent heat conductivity. Cast iron gives a rustic crust, while carbon steel is lightweight and becomes naturally non-stick over time. Ceramic offers even heat but is less effective for high hydration dough. Understanding the geometry is key. A standard 8.5 x 4.5 inch pan forces the dough to rise, creating a tall loaf. Wider pans suit larger batches or enriched dough. Moisture control is vital too. Using a lidded pan can trap steam, ensuring maximum rise and a better crust. Prepare your pan with parchment paper or rice flour to prevent sticking. Remember to preheat your oven in the pan for the best results. This prevents the crust from turning leathery. Lastly, know when to replace your pan. Look for corrosion, warping, or loss of non-stick properties. A quality pan lasts years. To elevate your sourdough, invest in a professional-grade loaf pan. This choice transforms your baking, delivering consistent, delicious results every time. Ready to bake? Explore our top recommendations for loaf pans tailored for sourdough on Amazon today.